So I'm going to show you how I remove these nail tips. Now, before we get started, I did use the Markartt Peel Off Base Gel to apply on my nails before I used the glue. And then I applied the nails with the CurvLife glue. Now, I do have the CurvLife Remover that I'm going to use. I did buy the pinpoint version, which I'll use that later. But, and it says here, I don't know if my camera will focus, to wait for about 5 seconds when you apply it. So it does leak out pretty good. And I have a mess here from removing these earlier in the week. I just didn't clean it up. So I'm just going to apply this along the cuticle area of the nail. And they have already started lifting a little bit because I did wash my hair earlier this morning. Today is November the 30th. And I put these nails on Tuesday. Now, I didn't close this all the way. This does leak out. So you have to make sure that you don't turn it upright if you don't have the lid on. And so I'm just going to gently remove this. There's the peel off base, and boom. And there we go. If it doesn't remove easy, you just want to come back and apply a little bit more remover. But you can see they kind of lift off the nail once you get under it. They lift off relatively easy in my opinion. And so this one is a little bit difficult. So I'm going to apply a little bit more remover. Same thing with this one. It doesn't take that long to remove. Just applied a little bit more. And since I applied some more to this nail, I'm going to try it again. It's the glue that's here that's giving me a hard time. You can see it's coming off. There we go. And sometimes you can make your life easier by like washing some dishes. If you know you're going to take them off, wash some dishes without gloves on, because that hot water and soap helps with the removal process as well. Or you can soak them too. Whatever works, whatever works. And you can see, look at my nail. There's no buffing before you apply it. So yeah. Now I do have some of the peel off still on this hand, but yeah. Easy peasy, easy peasy. And again, if it doesn't come off, easy, apply some more. Apply some more until it comes off. And it should pull right off of the nail. And I'm only using this because I used the CurvLife glue to apply the nails. And again, I actually like this better, than the clear or jello for that matter. I like it better. Now, will my opinion change later? I don't know. I don't think so. This works pretty good in my opinion. Again, everybody's nails are going to be different. Look at there. I need to clip that off. But everybody's nails are going to be different when they're using products. Now this one is a No Limit Soldier with wanting to come off. And right now my video is about 4.5 minutes long. Doesn't take long to remove at all. And if I can just get under this one, but yeah. So you can see here I have a little of the peel base still on the nails, and I'm just using a cuticle stick to kind of get that up.
Can you say that?
Okay, so this one here is giving me a little bit of difficulty, but it's coming. It's coming. Just be patient. Be patient. And this one was on really, really good. I mean, really, really good. I'm going to put a little bit more remover under this nail and wait. Because, yeah. Now this nail, whew, Lord have mercy. This one wants to stay on. This one want to be my friend for life. I mean, it's coming. Slowly but surely. Take your time. Take your time. I'm trying to take my time. Meet some resistance. There we go. There she goes. There we go. Whew. So all of the nails are off. Whatever's on here, you know, just clean it up. File your nails. Do what you're going to do. But there we go. So that's how I remove the nails. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you next time.